everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, The Secret Slob. I'm Steph. I'm on a mission to make my life easier through daily routines, habits, and decluttering my stuff. This month we are doing a huge whole house purge. I'm calling it the Spring Declutter Challenge. I hope you've been following along, giving some of your things the goodbye, sending them out the door and on to better, newer lives somewhere else. Mostly we're just trying to get rid of some of that extra clutter though. Every single day I'm tackling a different area. There's a free printable, I'll link to it below, that you can follow along with, or you can just tackle whatever space is making you crazy. If you need a little bit more motivation, there is a $100 gift card on the line every single day of this challenge. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below, and I'm gonna pick one person every day from the comment list. So make sure to comment every single day. Let me know how you're making out with the challenge and tell me all about your progress. All right, so getting to today, I'm in my bathroom, as you can see, well, one of my bathrooms. Today we're decluttering makeup, if you have makeup, and toiletries, which I'm sure you have. The bathroom is definitely an area where we can tend to collect clutter. I know a lot of people give kind of bath themed gifts, or you kind of get sick of one kind of lotion and buy a bunch of others, or you kind of just have that under the sink situation where things are just getting lost and hidden back there. So we're gonna go through all of our toiletries, all of our makeup, throw out the stuff that's yucky and gross and old and expired. Maybe you can give away some of the stuff that's still good. I know like the Women's Resource Center would take shampoos and soaps and extra toothpaste if you have them. Or maybe you're just bringing some of that stuff to the front so it can be used. Remember, we're only keeping things that we're using or we love or we need, and everything else can say goodbye and we don't need to have those things anymore. I'm gonna go through this bathroom, which is kind of our family bathroom. Most of our kids' stuff is in here and then a couple of other things. And then I'm gonna go through my bathroom, which is mostly makeup. My husband keeps his stuff in one little area. I won't touch that because rule number one, don't declutter other people's stuff is always in effect. I'm gonna go through one drawer at a time just in case something comes up and I need to get pulled away. I don't wanna have a big mess out that I have to come back to. So just doing what I can with the energy and time that I have. Bathrooms, let's go. Okay, so I think let's just start at the top and we'll work our way down. I did these the other day when I did the towels and linens, so I don't need to worry about the two sides. It's just gonna be these things here. Ooh, another pair of scissors. I feel like the scissors are the biggest thing I've been finding. This thing, which needs a good wash. I'm gonna take this downstairs to wash it, get a cloth so I can wipe out these drawers, and I'll be back. These toothbrushes can go in the garbage. Ooh, tweezers. Those were missing. Okay, so we've got hair clips, hair elastics, hair spray, detangler, dry shampoo, this purple stuff that we like, and a couple of hair brushes, and then, oh, another hairbrush. Okay, so that's pretty good there. So I went through these drawers not that long ago, like maybe a month or two ago. And this is kind of a container I have with all of our little individual size shampoos, bath bombs, so kind of like bath stuff. I like to take these things to the pool or if we go on holiday, but I don't want to keep it all mixed in with everything else. So anything that's kind of bath product related is down here. My tip for making sure your bath stuff doesn't get out of control and cluttered is every time you have a bath, use something. Don't save stuff for special. Every bath is special, where that is for me, because it's like the only time I get to spend alone. So use a bath bomb, use your bath soak, every single one. And then you won't have a ton of stuff and your baths will be amazing. So that drawer is pretty good. I just realized I didn't put these back. So I have this one in there. And then these two are the ones I use all the time. Here with the hair. And then this shampoo I need to put back in the shower because I have blonde hair and it's purple shampoo and I need to use it. So not a lot of garbage. Some old toothbrushes, this lid, whatever it's doing, some scissors to put downstairs, the tweezers, which I found, that's great, and not a lot else. So that's okay. It's okay to not have a lot of stuff. It's always nice to go through things. I found the tweezers, I found these scissors. That's a win right there. And these drawers are nice and clean, and yeah, it's always nice to have organized spaces. Okay, so no worries if you've already done something recently, like I have. You'll still find things. Moving on. Okay, so this is our master bathroom, and it's just teeny tiny. There's really not a lot of extra space for storage and things, so I've actually been keeping my makeup in this little travel case. I like to divide my stuff by things I use every single day and things I use periodically. So I'm gonna go through all of it, clean out my case, go through the stuff I use periodically and see if there's anything I'm using never, and just get my shelves nice and organized. Okay, so here's the makeup that I'm using every single day. I have it honed down to a science. I know exactly what I want, and I put it on the same order every single day, so it's nice and easy. And then this is all I keep in here. That's it. And then it's super easy every single day to do my makeup. Now, this is more of my skincare stuff, which I also use every day. I'm thinking about just leaving it here on the counter. I wonder if there's something I can put it in. Okay, I went downstairs and looked. I don't really have anything, but I'm gonna keep these things out on the counter and just kind of experiment with that. I like to have them where I can see them. It's more likely that I'll wash my face every day and do my little retinol routine and all that stuff. So I'm gonna try just leaving it out on the counter. Maybe I'll look for a little platter to put it on. That would be cute. I could decant some of these huge containers into prettier containers, I suppose, too. So we'll see. This works for now. What's in here? Oh, missing hairbrush. All right, so what is this? Pedicure kit. Never been opened. Donate. This is so funny. This is what my husband's been using to do his beard. It's an animal clipper because his family has like kind of a livestock supply store. So yeah, this is what you, I think, would shear like sheep with, I think, and that's what he's been using. He has a new one now, so I'm gonna ask him if he wants to get rid of that, but maybe not. I think his grandpa gave it to him, so it's kind of special. Okay, so this is like extra makeup stuff. All right, so what I have left is this is extra makeup, like really sparkly eyeshadow and eyebrow powder, things like that I don't use all the time. This is just lotions. This one's now empty, so I might put my skin stuff in here. And yeah, I can put this stuff down here. This guy right there. Okay, there we go. It's not my favorite setup, but I do struggle to find things with my face care routine, so that's a lot better. A lot of stuff to just throw away. A couple things I'm gonna donate, like those new lip glosses and the pedicure set and a new lotion and some things like that. And that's pretty much it. So not a lot to give away or send to the thrift store, but lots of garbage, lots of like old empty dental floss containers and things like that. I feel like I made a lot of progress in here and I didn't know that I would. So I hope you have the motivation and the time to try to go through at least one drawer in one of your bathrooms. It'll make a big difference and you might find something you've been looking for. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below so you have a chance to win the $100 gift card. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. We'll declutter one more space. Bye.